Today, I'm going to teach you how to set featured products in WooCommerce. This is a great way to highlight specific items on your online store, drawing attention to bestsellers, new arrivals, or products you want to promote. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and sign in now. This will bring you to your WordPress dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your website and store. Once you're logged in, look at the left navigation menu and click on Products. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear with several options. From these options, click on All Products. This will take you to a page that displays your entire product catalog, making it easy to manage and edit individual items. Now we're on the WooCommerce products page. The process of marking a product as featured is quite straightforward, but we'll also cover how to display it on your web store in just a moment. Scroll through the list of all your products and look for the star icon next to each one. When you click on this star, it marks that particular product as a featured product on your store. You can select as many or as few products as you'd like to feature depending on your needs. With your featured products now marked, the next step is to actually display them on your store so visitors can see them. Head back to the left navigation menu and click on Appearance. From the expanded menu that appears, click on Editor. This will direct you to the WordPress site editor screen where you have full control over your site's layout and design. On the left side menu within the editor, click on Pages. You'll now be presented with all the pages under your WordPress account. From this list, select the page where you wish to display your featured products. This could be your home page, a shop page, or any other page you prefer. Hover your cursor over the page and click on Edit to enter the page editor. Now we're ready to add the featured product block to your page. Look at the top left part of your screen and click on the plus icon. This is your Add Block or Add Element menu, and it contains all the different components you can add to your pages. From this menu, locate the search bar and type in Featured Product. This element is specifically designed to display your featured products, the ones we enabled the star icon on earlier. Once you find the featured product block, simply drag it onto your website page and position it wherever you want it to appear. You can place it prominently at the top of your page or integrate it into your existing layout, depending on your design preferences. After you've positioned it exactly where you want it, click on Save at the top right part of your screen to retain all your settings. And that's it. You've successfully set up featured products in WooCommerce and displayed them on your store. Your visitors will now see these highlighted items when they browse your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.